Okay, so something already went wrong. Hi guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing and building a new PC. So I'm gonna start unboxing everything first. Let's start with the fans because they look cool. So let's get started. Okay, so something already went wrong. We don't have tools to open this tape over here. Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. And we're just gonna cut this right open. Okay, step 1 complete. Whoa, this looks pretty cool. So it just looks like this right now. It's just white, but when I connect it to the computer and turn it on, it's just gonna be unicorn puke. So it's gonna look really cool. Let's just take it out of the box entirely. The wire's stuck inside, so I need to take that out first. And there you go. That's the back. It looks similar, but the back has this crossover here. And the front has like the clean logo, and it spins with the fan too. Alright, so now I'm gonna open the big box, which is basically the same thing, it's just a pack of 3. It's really nice because it has this flap over here, and then you can just pull it out and it opens right away. And then it has 3 more things here, which I assume are the fans, and they all have flaps where you can just pull it out. So it's really cool. And they all just look like this, just like the single pack, except there's 3 of them inside the box. Okay, so I just figured out that there are arrows here. This shows like the direction of air and the direction that it spins. And then it also has these rubber pads over here, and it's supposed to reduce the sound that the vibration makes when the fan moves. So this yellow box over here is supposed to be an RGB controller for the fans. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that right now. Oh, JK, there's tape here. Okay. So here it is. So I'm assuming this is the manual for it. So you plug in the fans here. So there's 3 on both sides. Okay, so there's a bunch of stuff here, and right now I have no idea what they are because I've never seen this before. But this is what the manual is for. So when I'm building the PC, I will definitely read this and figure everything out. Okay, so now we're going to unbox the SSDs, and we'll start with the Gen 3 over here. It just looks like this plain box over here. It's cardboard. I'll show you what the other one looks like. Difference. This is the Gen 4 over here, and this is the Gen 3. I'm going to be using this one mainly as storage, and this one I'm going to install all my games on. This one has 1 terabyte, and this one has 2 terabytes. So yeah. Ooh, so it looks like this. It's really pretty. I really like the background. Yeah, so this is another box that I have to open once again. Here it is. Just looks like a really small thing here. Typical SSD. Ooh, yikes. Didn't realize it just fell down here. But yeah, it comes in this little plastic packaging. And we can go ahead and open it. I'm not going to take it out of this right now because I'm just going to wait until we start building. Now we're going to go ahead and open up the 4th generation. This package tape is so weird. Like it's inside, so it's like really hard to cut. So yeah, I don't even know if I'm opening it properly, but we're just going to see. Ooh, this looks very interesting. Okay, and now we're gonna do our RAM. The speed is 3600 and it's 16 times 4, which is 64 gigabytes. So let's open this. Ooh, it's actually kind of heavy. Wow. So it's 2 and 2 stacked up like this. Comes with a sticker. It kind of feels like a razor. Like, it feels like it could cut me. Ooh. And it's so sleek. Like, look at this. Yeah, I really like that look. It's so good. And so this times 4. Okay, and moving on to the power supply. It's just a modular one. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and open it. It's really heavy. I had to angle my camera down a little so I could rest on the desk. So let's go ahead. This one just has plastic wrapped all around it. Plastic off.
One eternity later.
Oh, I found how to open it, finally. There we go. Of course, there's a manual like usual. Got this big piece of foam. Some cables. Comes with a whole set of cables. And you can just plug in whatever you want. Oh, and this thing right here that I should probably get rid of. And here is the boy itself. It's kind of heavy for me, honestly. Okay, and it looks really pretty. It's just white overall. The cables here are white as well. And that's about it for the power supply. And I also got a vertical bracket, and what this does is it allows my GPU to be mounted vertically rather than horizontally. And in order to do the exact setup that I wanted to in my case, I had to do that. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this. And it has like a certificate. Congratulations, you bought one of these. It actually looks pretty fancy. Oh my gosh. And I have no idea what all these things are. But we'll take care of it later. Just gonna put it back for now. This is the CPU that I'm gonna be using. So yeah, let's go open this thing up. Wow, this looks really nice. This whole thing was just displayed on the top over here, and that looked really dangerous to me, but you know, whatever. I'm just gonna ignore that. I'm gonna leave it in the case for now, and I'll take it out when we start building. It comes with a cooler, which is already in here, but I'm gonna be using my own. Yeah, so this is what the cooler looks like. But I'm not gonna be using this, so we're just gonna put that back in the box. Okay, so let's open the cooler that I'm actually gonna use for my CPU. Okay. So, well, here's the thing that attaches to the CPU. Pretty standard on what it usually looks like. Here's the wires, here's the big tubes. And then here are the RGB fans that go with it. More fans. There's a remote controller here too. A bunch of cables that we have to sort out later. This is the problem with RGB stuff. Okay, and more cables. And now for the motherboard. Ding, ding, ding. Oh my gosh. This looks so nice. First layer is the foam again. I'm just gonna show this to you straight up. Oh, look at that beauty right here. And now for the really exciting part. I know, the box is really, really big. Like, oh my gosh, this is my hand. It goes all the way across like this. And then, woo! Yeah, that's how big it is. Look at me right beside it. This is like 2 times the regular 1080 Ti box. Yeah, I did not expect this, but I should have because there's 2 parts to it since it's water cooled. Now let's go ahead and open it up. Ah! Comes with this. I don't know what it is. Okay, so it tells you what there is. This is for extending your warranty. And then there's a disc for installation, probably for drivers or something. Ooh, and here it is. Okay, so how do I open this? Whoa. So here are the 2 parts. It's huge. I can't wait to put it on my PC. Now let's open up the tape from the back. Nice and clean. This is what the front looks like. It looks amazing. When I turn it on with full RGB, it's gonna be so good. Comes with this tiny pin too, which is cute. And a few screws. There we go, don't crush my finger. Oh yes, a miracle. And for the final reveal,